JackTrip 2.0 is out now. It is our biggest update ever. Everything redesigned into one desktop app. Let's take a look.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low.
The JackTrip 2.0 desktop app now includes video of all participants in one place. Clicking on the Studio button shows you the most important studio settings, including the overall volume and clips detected, and you can change the studio master volume, studio echo, and you can now also select your favorite soundscape settings right there from a preset menu. Down here, you can change your local monitor output, and you can see your connection status right here on this lower panel. On top of that, when hovering over the stats icon on any participant's window, you can see their individual latency. It's never been this easy to invite other musicians to your studio. You can now simply click on the invite button in the app and then share that link via any platform you want, including email.
But dreams come slow and they go so fast.
Here's where you can share your screen with others. And right next to it is the new record button, which allows you to not only record live broadcasts, but also your private studio sessions, including the option to stem record, meaning recording every individual musician's audio waveform for later processing. On top of that, we allow you to enable video recordings now, making sure that your video is time-synced with the audio for download. Of course, you can always chat with the others, as well as share links using the toggle chat button.
And you let it go.
Yeah, that's great. You had 5 times to get the chorus.
That's impressive, yeah.